Hello and welcome back to the vlog, guys. So we're heading to the Okanagan, a bit of RVing around the Kelowna area. I have to go take care of that business at the court as a witness. So we'll take some advantage of being in the Okanagan at the same time at least. Let's hit the road, guys. And here we are, Kelowna / the Okanagan, guys. We got our RV here, and just back there in the distance is our old condo we used to own. It's kind of funny coming full circle here, seeing that in the background. We used to walk this kind of district for our groceries and everything, and an old Class C RV used to park here, and we'd watch it from our place, and he'd stay in the area maybe only a week or a bit more, but now we're that RV in this little plaza here looking at our old house we used to own, so kind of cool. All right, good morning and hello again, friends. We lived in Kelowna for 7 years, I believe it was. 7, might have been 8 even. Lived here for a while. Feels so weird driving the old stretch. I used to drive to the bank every day and everything in the RV now, and being in that parking lot with the RV where I used to watch RVs. Whew. Look at us go, guys. Now we're gonna get some coffee in here at the generator, and I have to be downtown in about half an hour to get to the court in time. Woo! Police just driving us downtown to the courthouse.
Oh, buddy.
I got my copy of the subpoena that I gotta bring, and here we are. Kelowna Law Courts. Wish me luck, guys. Never been to court before. Never been in a court before. Interesting times. It is 1 o'clock right now, and court is out for lunch break, so I'm back in the RV. Alicia had made some curry for us, so a nice little break time here. But for those of you that didn't know, or if you didn't catch it when I mentioned it before, so I used to work at a credit union, and I was kind of like a bank teller, MSA mixture role there, but I was on the front line, and at 5 o'clock near close, I was actually robbed by a guy that came in with a banknote demanding money. And then it's a year and a half, a bit over a year and a half now, and before we started heading east across Canada, literally like the day when we were gonna leave, I had to go and pick up a subpoena they called me to say I had at the RCMP detachment, that I was subpoenaed as a witness. So we're back in Kelowna here now, and that's what I'm up to today, and that's kind of what forced us to come to the Okanagan. But it's good to get back here and check out the old home ground and visit for a while here anyway, so that is why we're at court. And hello, guys. So court was a super big day. We were there the whole time basically for the trial. I ended up being the last teller to go up, so I was the last one to go on stand there, but everything went good. They asked me my questions about kind of the statement I had given after the robbery. Everything went smooth, and I didn't even get cross-examined by the defense there. So, didn't have to answer any questions or get grilled, and everything's a wrap. So we get to get back to RVing, and court is behind us. Good morning and welcome back, everybody. We have wrapped up the court case I had to take a part in. We are ready to leave Salmon Arm after just a quick pass-through. And now we are heading down to the lower mainland, and we are going to make the last day of the Snowbird RV show in the end. We decided we want to make that, and we figured if the court case was right around the same time, why not knock that out of the park, visit, and get down to the lower mainland and take in the RV show. We went to it last year, so we're looking forward to seeing again this one. Let's hit the road, guys. We got a cool day of driving over probably the Coquihalla, Kamloops, and checking out beautiful British Columbia. Isn't that right, Kitty? Woo!
You are excited, aren't you?
She is. Let's see if she runs.
Oh, wow. Did you forget where your hiding spot was?
Pure panic. Remember, you go up top.
Yes, up there. Hey, is Peter gonna stay still there?
Ah, he stayed there for a while. Let's roll the dice.
All right.
And hello, friends. What a beautiful drive so far, hey? Man, I am loving being back in BC. They call it beautiful British Columbia for a reason, obviously, but we took it so for granted. I mean, growing up in BC and growing up in the Shuswap, lakes, mountains, we had it all the time. It was just, we thought everyone had that kind of thing going on, but like, we're in Upper Kamloops using the Visitor Info Center Sandy Dump Station right now. But look at back there. It just turns into a desert here in Kamloops. And you got the river back there. It's a super cool area. We still got to go over the Coquihalla mountain today. Man, so much to see in BC. You can drive like 3 hours and see 3 completely different landscapes. Awesome, guys, I'm loving it. Hopefully you are too. On our way to Kamloops, we also stopped by my dad's place real quick, and we planted Peter the pine tree there. So we also have our planter pot open again, guys. So I wonder what we can plant and grow this time. Maybe cactuses again, like we got taken away from us on Newfoundland. Maybe a different tree. Maybe a flower this time. Who knows?
Alrighty guys, so we just got stocked up on groceries in Kamloops, and we have the choice now of taking either the Fraser Canyon Highway, which is the Trans-Canada Highway, or the Coquihalla Highway, highway number 5. So the difference between the two is the Coquihalla goes straight over top of the mountains, and as you can imagine, not very fun in an RV.
Yeah, it's a big one.
Or the Fraser Canyon Highway goes around the mountains and takes about an hour longer. So, since it's getting a bit later in the day, we've chosen to take the Coquihalla Highway straight up the mountain. Let's go.
So, we took the Coquihalla last year when we went down to the border and had our border denial video. It was a hectic drive. It's 120 kilometers an hour zone here with very steep hills, so the RV does not do very well on that. This time around, after doing the trip across Canada and back, I've learned there's passing lanes for a reason. So I mean, if someone wants to go 120, fill your boots. I'm doing 100 the whole way, if not 90 or less on the hills, so know your limit. And here we are, guys, Chilliwack. We're gonna spend the night at Chilliwack Walmart. We spent the night here once last year actually too, so we know it's a pretty cool Walmart. And then tomorrow we'll see you bright and early at the RV show. We're gonna try and get there right around opening, even a bit earlier for parking maybe. But either way, have a good night, guys, and we will see you at the RV show.
Good morning, guys. Alright, so it's a rainy day here in Abbotsford.
Surprise, surprise.
Yeah, when is it not raining down at the coast area? But we're walking over to the Tradex Center where we're going to the RV show today.
It's time, guys, we're there.
Yeah. Alright, so we got here just in time for the cooking demonstration. We're gonna learn how to make some grilled vegetable soup.
Grilled soup.
Super excited. And look, our RV is the backdrop for the center here.
Now, I'm going to have these, but I'm going to wait for a minute here and we're going to add in all the seasonings into the sauteed vegetables. I am Barbecue Brian from the House of Q. You may have seen me on Global TV or CTV or CBC, but you'll also see me on the Food Network in the spring. So stay tuned and keep your eyes open for that. Let's have some chili, and welcome to the Snowbird RV show.
Oh, it smells so good, but it's so hot.
RV meals.
Review.
Yeah, review. Alicia's a good cook, but Brian knows his stuff too, I guess.
Guys, it's the overlander outside. We gotta go see it, but it's pouring rain.
F550 diesel 4x4. Whoa.
I'm really up to my waist.
So we're in the Thor Gemini right now. 23-footer, just like our Adventurer. And this would probably be my favorite RV, just in terms of a good 23-foot size. I mean, look at the layout, nice and modern. The bathroom's a bit bigger than ours. The skylight window is a super nice feature on the Gemini. Life goals, guys. One can dream, right? Yeah, maybe in 20 years. Guys, an Integra Anthem. Asking price $539, listed $755.
Ooh. This thing's 44 feet long.
Whoa.
A little bit longer than this.
Are all systems go?
All systems are go, let's hit the road.
Ceiling fan.
Two shower heads.
While you do the laundry? And use this massive countertop? we've left that fancy Class A and we're in a 22 or I think it's actually 24 foot, 4 winds motorhome, Class C. But look at this bed here we've been seeing a lot of lately. I don't like it at all. So that's your slide there. But when you bring your slide in, you actually have to fold your mattress up and unfold it every single time. So if you ever pull into a Walmart or anywhere and you want to sleep for the night, your slide has to be out no matter what, for even to put the mattress down for your bed. Not for me. Just when we thought things were getting weird, look at this bed Alicia just found in a Winnebago.
I mean, this might be cool. Oh, I think you have to,
Yeah, you're gonna need to clear some space if you want to go to sleep.
But you probably don't need to slide out. Well, maybe I do. Yeah, you totally need to slide out.
Yeah. Quite a lot of floor space though in it. We found a newer version of the Adventurer.
Isn't that great? Yeah. It's clear sunlight here, and it actually
Pretty good deal because you don't need a truck.
So you can get fresh air.
These little travel lights are pretty cool for the back of a truck too, hey? If you already had a truck, these honestly wouldn't be that bad of an option. As long as they have a good water tank. We're still looking into that, but all sorts of new stuff for us to check out at the RV show. Still really like that Gemini, but hey.
So this one is one of my favorites. It's the leisure travel van, the Unity. I think it's 23 or 24 feet maybe, but it's just so like high quality. I like it.
Yeah, it's got a full bed actually made back there, not a folding bed like the other ones had.
Look at this.
Big kitchen. Pull out rack Alicia likes. Look at that dining area too and everything. Wow, nice unit. Right now we are exploring a Super C motorhome. Ours is a Class C, this one's called a Super C. We'll show you the front end of the truck and you'll get why, but I think it's basically a semi motorhome, but definitely a super version of ours. What do you think, Alicia?
It's big. 39 feet.
Yowza.
That's a big Class C. Imagine the view you would have with that one. It looks pretty cool actually. If I was taking this up for the weekend, this would be pretty sweet. It has a shower, toilet, a bed, living area, and a cooking area still. So it's pretty awesome. I mean, you could tow this thing behind the car. Wow.
So, we've been at the RV show I think for what, like 3 hours?
Something like that, yeah.
We're gonna head back to the RV here. It was pretty cool.
Yeah, I'm like super tired now. We saw so many RVs and just like walked around so much. It's tiring.
Yeah, that was a good RV show though. So thanks Tradex Abbotsford here and the Snowbird RV show.
Oh, sorry.
Ooh. And we're gonna go to the House of Q blog from Brian there. I guess he lives in Vernon, which is near Salmon Armin. He was really smart and he had a great cooking thing. So we're gonna try his recipe tonight probably. It is still raining, so let's get back there guys. See you at the RV. And here we are, Abbotsford Walmart. RV show was a success today. I think the Overlander was probably the highlight for us. That 4x4 thing was a beast, hey? F550 diesel. So that was probably the coolest part of the RV show in our opinion. That and Brian's chili. Alicia actually made that chili tonight. We already had the ingredients, so flash up a picture of that delicious meal she made there. Had the chili. We also went to an Anytime Fitness and got a shower and workout in quick. We might be in the mountains a little bit more. We want to go camping in the mountains, so there may not be Anytime Fitnesses for a while. So took advantage of that. And then we also, during the rainy day, planned what we're going to do tomorrow. We're going to go to a campsite and spend 3 nights camping probably. Maybe 2. We'll see how the weather is. Lots of rain, but should be a good one there, guys. Hi, guys.
Join us next time when we head up the hill to Golden Ears Provincial Park, are finally able to push out our slide, and hike to the lower Gold Creek Falls.